If you're new here, I'm a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. Today, we are talking all about a part 2, 5 remote jobs you can do at night. So I'm doing a part 2 because I know this is what you guys are looking for. This is the type of content that you guys want. You guys want to find some remote jobs that you can do at night. So part 1, I will link it down in the description. As of today, it has 251,000 views. So that tells me that you guys want to see more jobs you can do at night. So let's get started with number 1. So number 1 is a company that we've all heard of. It's American Express. So right now, American Express is hiring night remote jobs for a virtual travel consultant. So if you know what a virtual travel consultant is, great. But if you don't, you're gonna be on the phone helping people and providing travel assistance. So right now, they're starting at $16 an hour. So definitely check out American Express. I will leave a link down in the description so that you can find that easily. Number 2, it is called Asurion, Asurion, and you can check out their website because right now they have customer service representative positions and they're starting at $12 an hour. So on their website, it says that they have flexible positions. You could do overnight, you could do during the day. So check this out if this sounds like something that you can do, customer service job. Number 3, Conduit. They have flexible at-night positions for customer service and inbound sales representative positions, and those start at $12 an hour. Number 4 is AAA. So we all know AAA, and what you're doing is you're a call center representative and you can have the nighttime shift hours. They have second and third shift hours right now. And they also have positions for travel assistant. And my last one is Found Ever. I'll put this down in the description too. You have to type 25 words a minute and they are looking for customer service representatives. They have part-time and full-time at night and during the day, but you get the benefits if you are full-time. All right, and that was my 5 remote jobs that you can do at night, part 2. I will see you guys in the next video next week. And if this video gave you value, don't forget to click the like button and leave me a comment. Let me know which one you are applying for. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.